Hello guys, this is Nilesh Kamble, and in this video we are going to see how to uninstall applications from Windows 11 computer. So Windows 11 is different in GUI, means graphical user interface. Its UI is different than Windows 10 and Windows 7. So it is different for the new users who are not user friendly, who don't know how to go to uninstall applications. So in this video I'm going to cover this topic to uninstall Windows applications or any of the applications from a Windows 11 computer. So right click on the start menu, then click on the settings. In the settings you will find this search box. You can find any settings in this search box. Just remember, if you want to search any update related setting, you will find over here. Just type updates and you can see all the options, all the menus, whatever are there in Windows 11 for updates, then you can find in the search box. So this is the search box to find applications as well. So just type apps and then you will find add or remove apps. So click on add or remove apps and then you will find the total number of applications installed on your computer. So these are the applications installed on my computer. Let's suppose I have to install Google Chrome. So this is the app list. You can search the app list here. This is pretty much easy, guys. So you have to just type some initial letters of your application and then you will find the application in the search results. Let's suppose you want to search other application like a Photoshop, then you can just type a photo and then you will get the result related to photos. So Photoshop is not installed on this computer, so I will go ahead and search Google Chrome again on this computer to uninstall it. So this is the three dotted vertical line you can see here. Click on that and then click on uninstall. So this is pretty much easy, guys. You have to click on uninstall it again and then it will ask you user account control permissions and then click on yes. So once you click on uninstall, it will ask you for the confirmation again. So this is related to Google Chrome. It might not ask you for other softwares, other applications. So I'm going to click on also delete your browsing data because Google Chrome saves browsing data and then I want to delete that as well. So click on this checkbox and then click on uninstall. So this is the way you can follow to uninstall your applications. Any of the applications installed on your Windows 11 computer, you can follow this method and uninstall the application on your computer. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks and bye-bye.